Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Lawfully app, a powerful tool designed to help individuals navigate the complexities of the law. To get started, first download and install the Lawfully app from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing some basic information such as your name and email address. After creating your account, you will be taken to the app's homepage, which features a user-friendly interface with several options to choose from. The first option is the search bar, where you can type in a specific legal topic or question and receive relevant results and information. For example, if you type in divorce, the app will provide you with an overview of the divorce process, including the grounds for divorce, the steps involved, and the relevant laws and regulations. Another key feature of the Lawfully app is the document library, which contains a wide range of legal documents and templates that you can use for various purposes. These documents include contracts, agreements, and court forms, all of which are regularly updated to reflect changes in the law. To access the document library, simply click on the Documents tab and browse through the various categories to find the document you need. The Lawfully app also features a community forum where you can ask questions and receive answers from experienced lawyers and legal professionals. This is a great resource if you have a specific legal issue that you need help with. And you can also learn from the experiences of others who have faced similar challenges. In addition to these features, the Lawfully app also provides access to a network of lawyers and legal professionals who can offer you personalized advice and guidance. To connect with a lawyer, simply click on the Consult tab and fill out a short form describing your legal issue. You will then be matched with a qualified lawyer who can provide you with a consultation and help you understand your options. Throughout the app, you will also find various tips and best practices for navigating the legal system. These include advice on how to prepare for court, how to negotiate with the other side, and how to protect your rights and interests. By following these tips and using the Lawfully app, you can gain a better understanding of the law and make more informed decisions about your legal issues. Overall, the Lawfully app is a valuable resource that can help you navigate the complexities of the law and achieve your goals. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and taking advantage of the app's features and resources, you can empower yourself with knowledge and make a positive impact on your life and the lives of those around you.